Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to describe for you the process for customizing your toolbar. This comes in really handy, particularly in a geometry class when you're studying different constructions, different Euclidean constructions. You might want to restrict the tools available to your students. So for instance, let's say that my students were studying the construction of a perpendicular bisector. With the default tools, kids could simply go here and pick the perpendicular bisector tool, click on the segment, and be done. And although this is cool, a teacher might actually want their student to understand the underpinnings of the Euclidean construction before they use these automatic tools. So I've created a second sketch here. Notice that the tools available in this sketch are limited. If kids create a segment here and they want to construct the perpendicular bisector, they have to use the tools available here. For instance, they could create a circle centered at point A and another circle centered at point B. Then using the classic Euclidean approach, construct the intersections of these two circles and construct a line passing through those intersections. The perpendicular bisector goes to the midpoint here. Okay, to begin customizing your toolbar, you're going to want to go to the Tools menu, and you'll notice that the very first option is the Customize Toolbar. So go ahead and pick that. And all the items that you see over here on the left are items that actually appear currently in the toolbar. All the items on the right are ones that have been removed, and currently there's nothing removed here. Also notice that there are some little triangles here on the left. If you click on this little triangle, you'll see all the sub-menu items underneath the Move button. By the way, this is the Move button here. If I click on it, see it says Move, Rotate Around Point, Record to Spreadsheet. This is identically the options available under here. So if I want to remove some options from that menu, I click to highlight the option and then remove it. Now, rather than highlighting an entire menu item and then removing it, I like to highlight individual items within the menus. I find that this works better. So go ahead and go through and remove all of the items in your toolbar. Take a minute and do that. Okay, now I have all of the items from my toolbar removed. I'm just going to apply this. Now the only item that you see is the Move and Drag tool. And let's go back and further customize the toolbar and add only the tools that we need to construct a perpendicular bisector. So we go back to Tools and Customize Toolbar, and then if you recall, we included the Segment tool, we included the intersection between two points, between the intersection of two objects rather. We included some circle tools, circle with center and circle with center through a particular point. I think that's about it, right? So let's go ahead and apply these changes. And you'll notice that these tools are now available up top. Now I kind of like the move tool to be over on the far left. So if you want to change the order that these appear, if you go back to the Customize toolbar, and I'm going to add in explicitly the move tool. If I want to move it up to the top, I click up, and then I can move these items up or down likewise by clicking on these up or down buttons. Maybe I'll move this one up to the top there. Then once you find the ordering that you like, go ahead and click apply. That changes the order that they appear. And let's go ahead and see if I have enough tools to create a perpendicular bisector. I'm going to use the classic Euclidean sketch, or construction I should say, and then we find these two intersections and draw a line. I'm missing the line tool, so let's add that one last. Go back to Customize Toolbar, and then we want a line through 2 points. And put it wherever you feel it works best. So now I'm able to finish my construction. And there you have it. So that's really the idea of the Customize toolbar in a nutshell. Okay, here are some things that you might want to try now. How about creating a custom toolbar for another common construction? Say constructing a equilateral triangle, or constructing a line parallel to a given line through a particular point. Then also try exporting your work to a dynamic worksheet. When you export your GeoGebra work, the toolbar that you've created is included along with the dynamic sketch. So these are just some things to try, and we'll talk to you more about it in a little bit. Thanks a lot. Have fun.